recording it. Keep working. Keep watching each other. Take glances to make sure you know what people have established. And when you're ready, don't rush this. You can begin to add just dialogue. It's just dialogue at first. Remember, with that idea of marriage, a closing number, you've come to this scene through marriage. Like marriage has happened.
Look at this happy couple.
Share the volume.
Aw, they're so cute. I'm kind of jealous. Why? We don't need that.
You can work and talk. You can work and talk, but this is the dialogue moment.
Make sure we get everything out of that corner. Out of the way. Sorry. You guys need help? I think it's kind of nice. I guess, but when am I going to find my love? You know, I think there's hope for everybody. Maybe.
Not all cracked up as it made out to be.
You know, that's true. I feel like my alone time.
Come on, a mover in love? No, never gonna happen.
Pause. Based on, stay frozen, get back, reverse. Pause. Based on your line, movers. It's never gonna happen. You all have your characters, don't change them. We're gonna start this company finale number. It's the end of the show. We've gotten here, we're pretending we got here, and it's based on this last statement from Georgia. So this is the beginning of this company number. Based on what she said, that's the response. Listen to Darrell. He's gonna help this company number start. Continue. Think about that game, Talking in Rhythm. Anyone could start.
As a mover, I never knew that my love would be. As a mover, I feel so alone.
Yeah, go back to work. Yeah, you could work. You heard her statement, yeah. Give her focus while you're working, guys. Yeah. Yeah, just like we do in musical theater.
I don't really understand the complaints because they're going with each other. Moving to a new town.
Listen to her. Listen to his words.
Whatever.
The idea of moving to a new town. The idea of moving. What's that do for people? You help them go somewhere else. Someplace better. You could, Georgia, you could sing with them. Come together with this. Build it, yeah. Blackout.